Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 10 gaming tokens by market cap. We're going to start with Immutable X at number 1, followed by The Sandbox, FLOKI, GALA, RONIN, AXS, Mana, ApeCoin, Beam, and then we're ending with the Super at number 10. Let's get straight into it. IMX against BTC. It's a downer. We're still in a downward trend. Against USD, IMX is, potentially completing a squeeze. Very, very likely this could be a squeeze in the making. So where would I think that IMX could go to? My guess is, right, please wait, hang on, one day. Okay, my guess is that for IMX, best case, absolute best case scenario is we drop to these lows, taking out all of these classes of cells. So potentially sub 50 cents, 40 something cents. I feel like anywhere here is a good buy for IMX because IMX is the highest market cap coin in terms of gaming tokens. So I'm like, this is a very good area to be making a move in. So for me, I think IMX is going to head towards sub 50 cents around this area. And after that, we should be seeing some sort of a bounce back up. You can really count the waves. 1, up 2, up 3. Could we get a 4 and a 5? Maybe 6, 7. But I would expect IMX to blast off potentially after taking out all these classes of cells. It might go on a sideways adventure first before heading higher. There's a possibility. But I expect that 2027 should be the year for IMX. Right, 2026 might be doing something like this. And after that, 2027, yeah, I expect IMX to do pretty good eventually. So more downsides to be expected for IMX. I don't think IMX is done dropping yet. Sandbox. Okay, Sand against BTC. Here we are for the Sandbox. The Sandbox is... oh boy. Again, are we going to get a lower low? Not too sure. The Sandbox has been forming lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. Yeah, it just keeps going lower and lower, lower lows, lower lows, lower lows, lower lows. Are we going to get another lower low? If we do that, more likely than not, we're going to confirm the continuation of the downtrend for Sandbox against USD. Sandbox against against BTC. Against USD, the hope is that Sandbox stops here. Right, around 25 cents. That would be the best. That would be the best. And then we just go sideways, do nothing, and then bam, we break out back towards the highs over here. There's a very noisy area over here, which is at around $3. So my expectation is that if Sand were to start a very big accumulation over here, very big squeeze, right? Lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, and we start getting higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, then yes, this could be a breakout towards $3. So yeah, again, we'll have to wait and see what the whales of Sandbox have in store for us. FLOKI against USD. Here we are for FLOKI, heading for FLOKI. Okay, on Gate. FLOKI USDT, you have more information on Gate. So FLOKI is under the skinny pink line. For me, right, I think FLOKI is going to hit much lower. Much lower. Potentially 4,000. Right now we're at 9,007. So this is still a long way down for FLOKI. I don't think we're done yet dropping lower. So as it stands, we could be rallying, but I would be expecting a bearish continuation chart pattern as FLOKI drops lower. So be careful about rushing into a long. We're already under the skinny pink line, clearly under the skinny pink line. So the bearish trend is on for FLOKI. GALA against BTC. Here we are for GALA. GALA games. These lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower lows, lower lows. Yeah, so it's a downwards trend. GALA against USD. When is it gonna end? Against yeah. Okay, so best case scenario for GALA is that we don't take out these lows and we start a squeeze over here. Best case scenario. And for that, eventually we break back up towards 25 cents, right? There are a few noisy areas here at the top, either here or here, right? This will be 50 cents. This will be about 25. So depending on the situation, I would probably be, if I were to be in a trade, right, for GALA, I'll probably be taking profits, as we go along. So about 25 cents, there'll be one. But yeah, somewhere around 50 cents, right? Sub 50 cents, 47, 46 cents. There's also another one. So again, we need to see GALA hold the line, keep forming higher lows. We do not want to see lower lows. Once we start seeing lower lows, right, it's not good. it's not good. So we'll have to wait and see how GALA behaves. RONIN against USD. Here we are for RONIN. Anything for RONIN? RONIN keeps dropping lower. Any signs of a nope? More downsides to be expected. This looks like a three-wave structure that's about to complete. We're probably going to continue lower. We were under the skinny pink line, and we continue to stay under the skinny pink line. We already broke it here. We attempted to break back up, but we failed. Drop down here and there. Pop, hit the skinny pink line again. Resistance, continue dropping lower. So, in my opinion, RONIN is more likely than not to hit much lower. XC Infinity against BTC. XC Infinity is, oh my god, same thing. Lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. Low, 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 low. As long as you're under the skinny pink line, we remain with a bearish bias. XC Infinity against USD is still clearly under the skinny pink line. No signs of a reversal. The scary part is it's a lower low. We keep getting lower lows. Oh, that's bad. That's very bad. That's very bad. Right. Lower highs, lower highs. Although it feels like we're going sideways, it's still lower highs and lower lows. So yeah, you gotta wait for the reversal to come in when you start seeing higher lows. Potentially higher highs as well. So as it stands, yeah, nope. We're gonna stay safe for XC Infinity. Okay, we did EGLD. We're gonna do Mana Decentraland against BTC. Mana against BTC is still in a downward trend. Against USD, Mana is okay. Again, are we gonna get lower lows? Right. Again, we're not too sure. We already took out all of these classes of buys. Right. Best case is we get the first higher low. Right. This is already a higher high. So if we could get a higher low, then oh great. We could already be in the start of a potential new trend change. But again, we'll have to wait and see how it goes. So we're not too sure. ApeCoin against BTC. Here we are for Ape. ApeCoin against BTC continues its downward trend. We're under the skinny pink line, so not too good. Ape, not too good against USD. ApeCoin is, we were saying that very likely we're gonna clear these classes of cells here, and so eventually we did clear it. We even cleared all these other classes of cells as well. Right, there was a zip down, and then now we're bouncing off of it again. The question we ask is this gonna be another lower low? The trend is not looking too good. So be very careful. BMAX against USD. Okay, let's look at a USD pair. Anything for us to work with? No. Noisy area. Look at it. Stopping at a noisy area. Support came in. But we're under the skinny pink line. So trend is bearish for BMAX. How much lower? There's no clear high quality tradable chart pattern for BMAX. So nothing much that we can work with. Super against BTC. Here we are for Super. Super BTC. Noisy area. Look at this. We're finding support here. But we're in a downward trend, right? Clearly under the skinny pink line. So more downside to be expected. Best case scenario is for Super to do something like this. Very nice ABCDE, and then Super breaks higher. Best bullish case. Super against USD. We are also dropping lower. So same freaking thing. A very nice squeeze to come in for Super. And then pump, we break higher. Right, potentially going to even $10 though. So if you could get Super at a much lower rate, that would be great. How much lower? 15 cents? Right, we're at 72 cents. Another thing is that Super is under the skinny pink line, and this is looking to me like a potential with B in the making. C, right? ABC, right? So yeah, waiting for that B to appear. We're probably gonna hit the skinny pink line though. Whoop! And then only we drop lower. So yeah, to me, Super is a shot. It's a freaking shot. All right, I hope you guys have a great day ahead of you. See you in the next one. Ta-ta.